Good morning, everyone. I am Rizwan Ahmed. From today, we are going to discuss about RCC, analysis of RCC. So, coming to RCC, what is RCC? RCC is reinforced cement concrete. Okay. So we'll just revise the glance of concrete and steel. Okay. So coming to concrete, reinforced cement concrete. Yeah, we have concrete here. So concrete is basically a mixture of cement, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate and water. What is cement here? Cement is a binding material. It's a binding material. Okay. And what is coarse aggregate? Coarse aggregate is the size of the particle whose size is greater than 4.75 mm. Okay. And fine aggregate, its coarse aggregate is used for the strength. Okay. Fine aggregate is used for filling voids. Okay. And its size is less than 4.75 mm. And water is basically it's used for hydration and workability. Okay. Steel, what is steel? Coming to steel, steel is made up of carbon. Okay. So steel has basically two types: mild steel, which we denote as Fe250, and HYSD, high yield strength deformed bars. Okay. Fe415 and Fe500, these are two types. Okay. Some important properties of steel we will see. So ES, what is E? It's Young's modulus of steel. Its value is 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square. Okay. Its sigma s is a coefficient of thermal expansion, and it's 12 into 10 power minus 6 degree per centigrade. So this can be also written as 200 GPa. Okay. It's mu s, it's a Poisson ratio of steel. It's 0.3, and gamma s, it's the density of steel, which is 7850 kg per meter cube. Okay. So we will not go into the deeper of this concrete, cement and reinforcement, because we will study this entire topics in building materials. Okay. Okay, moving on to the analysis. This session only deals with the analysis. Okay. If you want you can take a screenshot. Okay. Now we will moving on to the analysis. So methods of RCC design. There are basically three methods of RCC design: working stress method, ultimate load method, and limit state method. Okay, first it is working stress method. Working stress method is also called elastic method, modular ratio method, or factor of safety method. Okay, we will discuss a few points about working stress method. This was a traditional method of design. This is the oldest method. Okay, working stress method is based on elastic theory, assuming reinforced concrete as elastic material. So basically it's based on what theory? It's based on elastic theory. Okay, it's based on elastic theory, assuming reinforced concrete as elastic material. They assume concrete as elastic material. Okay. And permissible stress value is ultimate load by factor of safety. And factor of safety for concrete is 3, and factor of steel is 1.78. These values are given in IS 456-2000. Okay. In the next topic we will be discussing about the analysis of singly reinforced beams using working stress method. Thank you.